Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on updating apps on the Amazon Fire HD tablet. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the home screen of the tablet, open the App Store. In the App Store, tap on the 3 horizontal lines button in the top left corner. Then tap App Updates. If there are any apps that need updating, they will show here, and there will be an update button that you should press. I don't have any apps that need updating currently, so I can't show you the button. It is possible to turn on automatic app updates if you don't want to have to update apps manually. To do this, open up the Settings app. In Settings, tap on Apps and Notifications. Then tap Amazon App Settings. Select AppStore. Tap Automatic Updates, and then tap on the checkbox to enable automatic app updates. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Amazon Fire tips and tricks.